How to use Zotero for citation and referencing. First, let's download Zotero 4 for Windows and then install the Chrome connector, the extension. So this is if you're using Windows, of course. If you're using Mac OS, you have a different version, as you can see here. So install the Chrome connector. Now, I'm not using Chrome, but Brave is made with Chromium, so all of the extensions work. Now the setup is complete. Let's run it. Standard. Let's go install. And let's launch Zotero. Now the first thing that you want to do is find a source. So let's say you find an academic article on Google Scholar. Let's, for example, have this one. So I got here Zotero on my right and Google on my left. Let's open this up, the first article. Then let's click on the extensions. Then do the Zotero connector. And there you go. As you can see, it's saved in Zotero. It took a couple of seconds, but it automatically got the title of the article. Now let's open Word, because you're probably using Word. And let's say you're writing something. Now simply just put your cursor at the end of this sentence. Then you should see Zotero in the top here. So click on it. Then tap Add Edit Citation. Let's do this one, okay. And now just type in banking, for example, and here it is. Let's click that, and here it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.